Making Jump Up drum and bass is so satisfying when you got the right elements. Here's how I made this with Lander Studio's awesome sample library and plugin collection. Breakbeat. Here's two 808s playing call and response. Let's beef it up with Lander Effects' bass plugin. Let's play some frog presets with Serum. Let's spice it up with Lander Effects. Eargasms. And one last bit, a vocal.
This beat got me out of my mind.
Let's add some life of Lander FX vocal.
This beat got me out of my mind.
Then we can add Lander mastering to beef it all up. Get a discount for Lander Studio with the link down below.